to a post. Welcome back to JH Strategies, where we bring you the latest and greatest crypto news and much more. So we're going to talk about what's happening on the market with the CPI data, and then we're going to talk about where the hype and where is this bullish coming from. We're going to talk about a couple quick things and just go over the total overall market, and we're going to rock out. We'll be starting in a few moments. I'm just letting some people get over here so they can do their thing. We can hype it out, rock it out, pump it out. We can take it to the moon. So we'll talk about a few things, and then I'll also do a shout out. So alright, and I'm going to do a shout out. People coming in, and we're going to rock out. Let me just get a couple people going here, and then bada boom, bada bang. We got it. We got our live feed right there. I'm going to pop over here actually, so that way I can get into the comment section real quick so I can get right from here. I'm going to do it right from here. And we're going to rock out. Okay, let me just get into our own video right here. Hey, welcome everybody. I'm hyped. I'm excited. I'm loving it. Welcome guys. Okay. We're hyped. Oh, alright, yeah, rock on guys. Mad love to you guys for stopping by. Make sure to smash that like button, hit that retweet, hit that share, and if you already know, you already know. We're going to talk about a bunch of different things happening in the cryptocurrency market, and we're going to start with hopping over to the overall cryptocurrency market cap. Let me go ahead and forward this into the main group. So, crypto news and Miku shout out. Alright. So let's go. Yep, I'm just doing crypto news, and I'm gonna do top meme coin shout out. I'm just getting us rocking out all over here, taking it to the latest and the greatest. Okay, it looks like you guys are popping in, so I'm gonna go ahead and rock out and get started through that. Okay, today's overall cryptocurrency market cap is sitting at 1.132 trillion, which actually is up, and we're going to look at that so I can show you guys. 24-hour volume 78 billion, which actually was kind of low for me, thinking like, big moves with that kind of volume. So we're going to go ahead onto the blockchain, and we're going to take a look, and we're going to see what other people are saying. We're going to see what's happening on Twitter, and then we're going to see what's going on YouTube. Bitcoin coming in at 23,734. Okay, 24 hours it's up 2.97, so 3% in past 24 hours, and we're going to show you on that chart because that's our pumpity pump. Ethereum now at 1,800. Aren't we glad that we talked about that in our last video, and we grabbed it at the right levels? We'll actually go through that chart. Look at this. Market cap 66 billion for US Tether and 53 billion for USD coin. But we got $56 billion in volume. So actually, I was like, interesting. A lot of money moved into Tether, and then it sat there for a moment. And I was like, let me see what the volume is on Bitcoin. 29. Okay, so yeah, 29 billion, and volume on Ethereum 21 billion. So we don't, we're right like with each other, and I'm like, okay, when is Bitcoin gonna hit its over 500 billion again? So we're gonna take a look at some of that. BNB has been bullish to the max. I've been talking about it all over the place. I've been rocking BNB, man. BNB up 7.8 in 7 days, 3% on the 24-hour. It's at 328 right now. Number 5. Number 6, XRP up 3.1% in the 24 hours at 37 cents. Okay, market cap is 18 billion. So look at that, 18.2. I was like, when we were at 17, I'm like, look, we're gonna pop it at 18, and then we have 1.6 billion in volume, and Cardano has 767 million in volume. So we had a nice little thing. We're gonna take a look at all those charts. Cardano's sitting at 53 cents. The Binance USD, okay, is actually up a $17.7 billion market cap, 7.4 billion in cash flow, which is really big. BUSD is growing, baby. Solano sitting at 41, up 4.420, up 420 on the 24 hour, 14.5 billion, 1.2 billion in volume. There's a whole bunch of stuff coming out there. You heard about the hacks and stuff that happened, and even with that, they're getting stronger on their network. And I think that, hey, if they found out their weak points on the network, they can always, they have the ability to shift and change and build it and make it better. So I support them. I still do hold my Solano, and I haven't accumulated too much lately, but I still do hold it. Polkadot at number 10 spot above Dogecoin at 952, up 8.5% in the 24 hours, 13% in 7 days. Dogecoin at 7 cents. So we talked about that. We were like, Dogecoin's going to hit that 7 and it's going to ride it. So up 2.23 and up 3 on the 7 day. Avalanche on the number 12 spot is at 28. So it's right below that 30, up 5. And then up almost 20% in the past 7 days. DAI. Here's our DAI. Let's look at this actually. 7.5 billion and then 821 million. That's got some pretty good volume going on there. Polygon, Matic at 92. Matic had all that bullish news and it pumped, and it's going to ride with the market. This could be one of your sitting gems here. Right now it's 7.4 billion. I can see that market cap doubling in the next bull market. So it's definitely some bullish stuff that you can have rocking out there, man, because I'm telling you guys, this is off the hook. All right, so that is our rundown, okay? And we're going to hop into the charts because I know that's what you guys love. Let me explain. I use Traders Reality, which is the hybrid system, okay? I'm going to turn it off for a second, okay? And the hybrid system tells me a bunch of different things. It tells me the moving averages. It tells me the different sessions, the timings, and all this, and I can explain it to you as I am going along here. I'm going to start with the 30-minute chart, and you can see how Bitcoin had this whole vector candle when it was right at the 50 EMA on the 30, and look at it now. It's coming back to this 50, so I want to see a retest here at 23. So when I saw us at the M4 zone, I was like, okay, we got to come back to this 50 EMA. So my target was when it was at here at 24. When we hit 24 even, then I put the short in with the target at 23.450. So let's see if we even hit that. But psychological high is at 23.2 and psychological low is at 22.8. So we actually shot out of that area, okay, with volume. So that was actually pretty good. I like to see that with the volume, but we are coming back and recovering some of that vector candle. Let's go over to the 1 hour, okay? So you can see that, okay, so we were below the 50, okay? We tested the daily open, Tokyo, Sydney, Hong Kong. As soon as Europe breaks open, shot it up. New York held it up, and now we're testing. We're coming back to that 50, which is at 23.450. Right there, sitting at that 1 hour time frame. So that is what I'm looking at here. You can see the red box. That's the New York session. Brinks, they set the day, okay, at 24, but it looks like they're pulling back to here. My question is are we going to pull just back to the 50, or are we going to come back down to the daily open? Let's go ahead and see the 5-minute chart, okay, so we can see what's going on here. Ready? Okay, so the M2 pivot zone is here. We're below the M3 pivot zone. We just went below the moving average. We're below the 50, below the 200. If we hit here at 23,400 and we don't hold it, then we're going to go back into those psychological levels. So actually 1 minute left until the next 5-minute candle, and let's see what happens. Let's see if on the 5-minute this 200 EMA holds it. Let's see if we can actually catch that. So that's just definitely something. Don't worry about that. Yep, the bulls. Let's go. Yeah, man, rocking on, man. Mad love. So I want to see what's going to happen. A few seconds left coming into this candle. I want to see if it closes below that 200 EMA on the 5 minute. Look at it. It's sitting right there. I want to see where it closes. If it closes above or below the white line. So it looks like it's going, oh, it's right there. Okay, so see that next, see it close right on it? Let's see if we're going to pop back above it, or is it going to continue down to the daily open, okay? So you can see how we're sitting right on that moving average right there. Let's see if it will actually get some volume in and kick itself up back here to at least hit 23.830, I would put. So quick scalp 23.5, 23.830. So if it does hit that and bounce to come back to that, because it's a little bit stretched from those candles. If we do fail, okay, we can come back to the vector candle zone, which we have to recover in this area here. So that's what's going on with that. Let me just grab my water real quick. Okay, so it looks like, yep, on that next candle, it looks like we are popping up on that moving average. Okay, so it's 250. Let's go over to the 15 minute and let me take a look. Okay, so on the 15, I want to go back to the 30 though. Back to the 30. Okay, 10 minutes left of this one. All right, make sure that we stay above the 23,450, because if we don't, we break below that 50 EMA, then the 200 EMA. This is definitely bullish when this 50 crossed over this 200 on the 30, okay, and then on the 1 hour, all right, on the 1 hour, our 50 was above the 200. It almost went below, and then we shot back up. So it looks like we're coming back to retest this. My question is are we gonna retest it and then fall back through it? Okay, so we got 9 minutes left until the next candle comes in on there. So we were actually looking at the shorter time frames, and it looks like it caught a little bit of action there. So let's go ahead and look real quick at Ethereum. Ethereum at the 1800 spot. Okay, let's go back to our 1 hour chart over here for Ethereum. You can see Ethereum's at the M4 pivot zone, which was the 1800, which was the top of this vector candle. So as you can see, the 50 is pointing up. Okay, we're overextended, a lot of volume, which is pretty good, but it is going to retrace some bit. So let's go to the 30 minute, okay, and take a look here. So see this coming back to these averages at like 1750 or right above it. High ADR, which is right here, is 1771. So that's, if we break below this yesterday high, I'm going to set it for that, because we need to retest and bounce off of that. Let's go to the 1 hour. Okay, let's go to the 4 hour on Ethereum. And now that we pulled up above that, look at that. We're right between the M4 and the M5 pivot zones. Okay, and the daily opens, which was actually really cool. So we need to come back and test one of these zones while this moving average is getting pulled up. My goal would be to, you know, see this ride up all the way through. Let's go to the daily now on Ethereum. Okay, Ethereum on the daily has been above the 50 EMA, and we're heading for those moving averages. Okay, the 200 swooping. It doesn't look like if we continue moving up, like we're going to cross over. I like to see this. We tested the 50 EMA, and then we came up, and now we're riding the top parts of that. So guys, it does look bullish at the 1800 level for Ethereum. But my support, heavy support for me, is at 1,660. All right, so that is my heavy support level right there. Binance, BNB. Now look at this. This is a daily chart on Binance. All right, BNB has been doing amazing. Okay, BNB has been skyrocketing. You know, higher than most of these other tokens right now. BNB is a lot of bullish news, a lot of bullish, you know, sentiment out there in the markets for BNB. We're gonna hop into some of all the time frames in BNB in one moment. We're gonna hop into all the time frames for BNB, and we're gonna see where we think we're going. Because this is a really, really nice level, and it makes you want to be like, okay, I want to hold, you know. and it's gonna go higher. But I'm thinking like when is the time for the pullbacks? You know, so that's what I want to look at, and I want to see. Okay. Okay, so BNB, and that's the daily. Let's go down to the 1 hour because the 1 hour is one of my favorite charts, and I want to talk more about BNB, and I want to look at this chart here because I want to see what is going on. BNB has come above this 200 EMA on the 1 hour, and when it did, okay, I want to look at this. Okay, so last time we were below it. It's the 1 hour. Alright. So we kept riding below it, and we would come above, we would pull back, ride below it, and then pull back. So we pulled back to it, okay? And I see how far we're extended here between the 800 and the 200 on the 1 hour. You know? So I am just worried that we can come back down to the psychological low area at 308 because it's definitely bullish. But if it does trade sideways and it pulls the moving averages up, let's go look at the 4 hour, okay? Let's stretch it out. Alright, let me go ahead and alright, so the RSI on the 4 hour. Alright, so it's still mid-level. It looks like we were above that line. I'll just explain it to you. So see how we were below that? And now we popped above it. This yellow line right here. We want to stay on top of that yellow line. See, we were on top of this yellow line, and that's when we made it. And then we pulled back to the 50 EMA on the 4 hour. Okay, and now we pop back up. Alright. Here's your pivot zones. Okay, so we went above the M4 at 335. M5 is at 341. Okay. And there you go, your M1 is right there. 312 is the 50, but the M1 is 310. So if we're going to retest and recover this vector candle, I think that we'll hit that 313, okay? And we will continue to trade sideways. If it goes below that, it'll act as a resistance, come back down to the 200, okay? Around the 280. So it depends on what's happening in the market here. CPI data has come out much, much lower. Okay? And let's go ahead and hop on over to Bitcoin news on Cointelegraph. Alright. And then I'm going to do a shout out real quick too for the chat. Shout out to Miku. Alright. Shout out to Miku. There's contests going on right now. Shout out right now live for Miku. Okay, shout out now live for Miku. Shout out now live for Miku. Alright. So let me just pull that. I'll pull that. Okay. So now I'm live in TG over here for Miku. And we're also live doing crypto news. And we're going to include Miku into it. I'm going to integrate it because Miku is going to be a whole metaverse. They got big plans. Nice team. We're rocking it step by step. Miku Metaverse. Product development and much, much more, man. Continuous mad love. So I'm going to say stop by the vid and chat Miku. Alright. Stop by the vid and chat Miku. Where is it? Oh, right here. right here. Comment Miku. Yes. Right here.
You mate, what's happening?
Hey man, what's up? So we're live here on the Telegram, and I'm also doing crypto news live on YouTube, and I'm shouting out Miku right now. And I just did the live feed. I'm still live on YouTube right now, and I'm live talking to you, man. So shout out. We're in the chat right now. You got anything to say about Miku, man?
Yeah. Okay, bro. And do you see that I have commented by Rajbhai?
Oh yeah, I see that you've been in the chat rocking. I see your work, man. Mad love to you and the community, man.
Bro, I love you too. You are like me.
Awesome. I'm glad that, yep. I'm glad I can bring the positive energy, and I can, help out where I can. And I just love it, man. I believe in, you got to live in the moment. You got to catch that moment and be positive. And I love doing that, and that's why I'm full on Miku, and I'm going to do crypto news and help you guys and teach you guys. I'm going to do more videos once more utility comes out, how to, and all that stuff, so that way you guys can follow the path, man. We're going to have a whole Miku metaverse. Our roadmap is off the hook. So let me see.
Oh.
Yeah.
Great, bro. And bro, I have one advice for you. Means you are making long videos of 1 hour. Start making like 5 minutes and with some basic details. Means like how to trade and which are the gems. Like which topics connect with other communities too. So that can your subscriber will go. If you made like 1 hour or 2 hour video, so some of the people like me think this is 1 hour. So who is they are not going to watch until they make it that they can use it. Like someone don't know to do TA or don't know what is the trend in the crypto. So find some trend like new gems coin as I make the video on it.
Okay.
And upload it. Or only maximum like 10 minutes or 15 minutes. No more than 1 or 20. And be consistent.
Okay.
Don't break. Okay.
All right. Yeah, I love the suggestion. I will definitely do that. I'll do more short, quick news videos to get it out. That's right, because people want quick news. They want to get in and get out. You know what I'm saying? So I feel you, brother.
Okay, bro. And bro, don't worry. Once this rate contest one, so I am also going to help you to grow your channel. Okay, like making thumbnail and other editing too. Okay.
All right, sounds good, man. We have all kinds of contests going on, and you see every day people are rocking. People get bonuses, active members, contests going on, and rocking out, man. So I see you out there. Mad love and respect to you. All right, so let's go ahead and talk about some crypto news. It says 29K Bitcoin is closer than you might expect. I want to see what they said. They put an ad out, and they said, 29,000 Bitcoin. So let's see. Bitcoin price continues to battle 24K resistance. All right. So it says right here the channel of 22,500 support and the 29 level. Okay, so that's what they're trying to say. Let me see. Leverage longs and bulls in the market. So we could go ahead. Actually, let me go and see CoinGlass, right?
Yeah.
CoinGlass. Let me see this real quick.
Going back to the you continue.
All right, so we see Bitcoin, and let's go ahead and see what they got going on. All right, so the market looks like a lot of people put shorts in when it shot up like that. Let's go to BNB. Let's see. People are bullish on BNB. Wow, look at that. The money flow is the funding rates are going positive for BNB. That BNB chart. Yes. Okay, so that's what I wanted to talk more about, the BNB chart. All right, so we had some really heavy volume. It looks like that's a big candle within that 1 hour right there. And that was right before New York. Oh, okay, so that was right before New York open. Let me go back to the 1 hour. Okay, and so that happened right there. Let's check that out. We got our RSI. Let me get rid of that. So okay, so we had volume tapered off a little bit, and it looks like, yeah, daily open at 323. It's at 327. Okay, so I want to see us. Oh, we're actually catching a green now, which would be interesting because that means that we can probably. Wow, if it catches some bullish volume, M5 pivot zone is at 342. So that's interesting. So I'm either going to see a bigger pump, okay, because it's 3 p.m. in New York. That's the busiest time, another part of the day. Let me go ahead and look at the S&P and see what's happening. Okay, so let's see the S&P. Let's go down to the 5 minute because we're at 3 o'clock, and let's see what they're doing. Okay, so they're right at the 50. Let me see if they go above that 50 on the next 5 minute candle. Let's see, 305. Yep, 1505. Okay, and then let's see if they start to fall below that because it pumped up, and then S&P looks like it just rode right here at the 418, up 7.3, 1.78. Okay, so S&P is up 1.78 on the day, which is interesting. Wow. All right. So, and then on a week, 1 month it's 8.57. 1 week, 2 point. All right. So let's see what this next 5 minute candle does, man. That's gonna tell all too. Let's see at 3 o'clock. So at 3:10, I'm gonna look at the next 5 minute over there. Let's go to gold real quick. Oh wow, look at that. Gold has pulled back, so that means people are taking their money out and putting it back into risky assets into tech sector. The price of oil has come down. Let me show you guys that. Let me show you that. Well, actually, it's at 91. It bounced and went back up a little bit, but that's on a shorter time frame. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame for the oil. Yeah, you can see after it pulled back, it spiked up a little bit, but no, we're coming back down to 85. I can see that in the cards. So since oil came down from the 96 and it's at 91 now, and we're starting to see a downtrend and we're below the 50s, it's looking good because that can trickle over to us, consumers. CPI data, okay? So we do CPI. Yeah, it should pop up right there, the CPI data. All right. So July, NASDAQ surges 8 minutes ago. Dow jumps 400 point. NASDAQ surges 2%. Let's go to CNBC. Nice. Look at that. 8 minutes ago, they just posted this, guys. This is bullish. Let's see. They just posted this. Cheer, lighter than expected. Okay, so yes, a lighter than expected inflation report. This is what happened here. Inflation was high, and it pulled it back. Look at that. Okay, the headline for July rose to 8.5 year over year and was flat compared, increased to 8.7. And then let's see, major stock on Wednesday with Facebook parent Meta rate. Oh, okay, Facebook rising. We're gonna go look at some of those. Oh, very nice. The final hour raising 1.8 and 2.5. Nice. The S&P and the Russell 2000 up 2.7. That is definitely bullish. Look at this, Meta. Bank of America names Meta a best idea. Wow, startups through banks. And that is going to be interesting. And I've been talking about this for a while, that the banks have been watching it. And once that regulation comes out properly for United States, they're going to start putting into reserves and the spot retirement funds and all that kind of stuff is just going to grow, especially on the market, man. And just think that if they did have Bitcoin like spot retirement funds, ETFs, and all that kind of stuff, that's just continuous investments, for for the future, for the next generation. And that's what we build. We build wealth for our future and for our children's futures, next generations. And then that's how we do it, If you sit in the barbershop, you're gonna get your hair cut. So that's what that's saying there. Now let me go back again and see what else we got. Let me just see something real quick. July CPI rises less than expected. So that's why we're having a bullish time, because CPI, Yahoo Finance, inflation moderates in July. Less than expected. Okay, so let's see. The prior month 40-year high of 9.1. Okay. So that is definitely bullish. It has a pullback to 8.5 from our 9.1. So if they can continue that, and they, inflation can be pulled back, because I was showing you some of those numbers, that trickles back to the consumer, and that's definitely a very good thing there. Here, CoinGlass. Let me just look real quick. Let's look at the Ethereum real quick and see. Wow, yeah, money flow starting to come into Ethereum. XRP, we hold the XRP. So look, everybody is jumping down the XRP. Let's see something. Let's go to XRP. All right, and let's see what's happening. Oh, I see. Okay, so on the 4 hour, let me go to the 1 hour. People went short on XRP because okay, so on the 1 hour, the 50 pulled below the 200, and now it's about to go back above it. But we have a green candle here, which is above the M3 at 37. Okay, and then let me see something. The M4, which we did hit, is at 38. So are we going to come back to retest the 37.1 and then bounce? Or was this our little bit of a retest right here? 37.3. And then we can pull it up, continue. But just, keep your eyes on that, that candle, the vector. Here's a 45 minute. Let's go down to the 30 minute on XRP. Okay, let's go to 15. Oh, interesting. Let's go to 5 and see. Okay, so it did hit that M3 right there. Look at that, 37.4. And then let's see, what is the path looking like? Alright, so it hit that and it bounced, and now it's hitting that EMA, the 50 EMA, 37. Okay, and let's see what time it is. Alright, 4 minutes left on that candle. If this candle can go above on the 5 minute, okay, then we can probably, come back up towards this way. We do have this little spot to recover here, 37.8. So I want to see. But if we get rejected, then we can come back down towards this area. Look at this crossover happening right here. Oh, yeah, I like this. Let's see what happens. Into XRP, definitely. Let's see what we got. 2 point, and then let's go here. Average volume. Volume right now is a lot higher than normal. And I want to see this pop over to the top. So we'll come back real quick. What do we got? 3 minutes. Let's see what it does. Doge. 5 minute on Doge. Let's see what we did. Okay, so the Doge had its pump. Okay, and it's pretty much ridden all day. And it came, actually, the 50 EMA came to the price, which was good, at 7. But then we pulled below it. This is good that the 200's back on top of the 800. Looks like we almost touched the 200 and then we bounced. So if we go above, the 07 to 7.1, then we can come into this area, because the 50 EMA on the 5 minute here is 704. So we want to see it come back into that range, and not come back down to the daily open at 6. So Doge needs to hold its point. Right here, ADA at 53, so that bounced the same way that we were talking about Doge. I just want to look Baby real quick. Babyswap at 5 cents. So that did have a pullback on itself. And then the Solano. Let's look at the Solano. Solano on the 5 minute. Look at that. Okay, so it pulled below the 50 EMA. It's coming back up to it. If it's rejected, then my target prices are going to be a psychological high at 40, and then psychological. So that's what we're looking at. Let's go back to the Bitcoin. All right, Bitcoin on the 5. So look at this. We came back to this, okay, and we retested the bottom part of this at 23.7. So it's 23.6. All right. If we break below this on the 5, 23.5. All right. Then we can see psychological high come into play at 23.2. Let me go to a higher time frame, 30 for Bitcoin, so we can see what's happening here. Alright, so on this 30, we hit it, and it looks like it's starting to bounce here off of that 50 EMA. Let's look at the 1 hour. We're also looking at the 1 hour, okay? Same concept on the 1 hour there too. All right, let me see. Let me see what we got here. Shout out, shout out. Doing a shout out for Miku. Mad love, guys. And I just wanted to show you guys that. Show you guys the roadmap. So you can see weekly AMAs, contract, collaboration. We got the listings, partnership, more partnerships. And then partnerships with CEXs and other major stuff coming, okay? And then DApp, overall project metaverse. So that's definitely something bullish for Miku. And then I just want to give that shout out. Let me go ahead and come over here. And then we go into the Miku price over here. Let's see what we got going on. So we're looking at the Miku on the 1 hour, and it has been holding up nicely. If you hop on over to Jay Strategies, when you guys get a chance, make sure to stop by there, smash the like, rock out with us. We do all day, every day. We have contests. We have a bunch of different things going on. And yeah, man, don't forget to stop by. Smash the likes, hit the tweets, you know, do your thing, man. We love you all. Mad respect. Alright, so we were looking at that Bitcoin. Ooh, at that Bitcoin, man. That Bitcoin's coming to that, and we're on the 1 hour. I'm waiting and seeing. Let's go back to the 5 minute for the Bitcoin. Are you ready? We're going to go back to the 5 minute for the Bitcoin. And then we're going to, I want to watch, okay, see, so it just came into that next candle, into the one minute into this candle. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so it's 17. All right, so you're into that next candle there. All right. Let's see what we're coming into next after that one. A few more minutes. I just want to see where. Okay, so it's 3 more minutes until. Three more minutes until that candle. Alright. Get him. I'll be right back, guys. I'm just on a phone call. Yeah, guys, we just had that close of that 5-minute candlestick. Now we're into the next one. You can see that how we're doing a slow raise up back towards that 50 EMA on the 5. I really want to see if we get back there and hit that, the 23.7K for the Bitcoin. If we do hit that and pull above it and we retest it, that could definitely be bullish for some more upside action. If we get rejected, then it's time to take a short and make that bread. Okay, guys, I'm sorry about that. I just had a really important phone call in there, but I'm still on these 5 minutes here. We got 3 minutes until the 30 candle, and it looks like we've been just been rocking slowly going up to this 5. Okay, I want to see if we hit 23,790. So 23,800. Let's see. Where is that? Yeah, 23,800. I want to see if we hit that from 23,600. So let's see if we can hit that from from that point. Let me go ahead and see here. Oh, and we are bullable. Okay. Join VC. Yes. Join VC. All right. Invite. Oh, let me just grab that right there. And then we can chill right here. All right. Join VC. Live here on TG and live on YouTube. Showing. Yeah, we're showing how bullish our fam is. Yep, so that's the main chat. We got our team out there busting. When I go home, I will enter, bro. Okay. Okie dokie. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Huh? When is it? The 31st. Yeah, man. Just hanging and thinking of a duck race. Lamo. Thinking of a duck race. Let's see. Let's see who's here. Let's see. I'm gonna say contest chat was lit today. They did some reading and sharing with the memes. Yep, it was awesome. I love it, guys, you know. And also, let's see. Okay, hold on, let me just look at something real quick. Let me go YouTube, and then let me just go to my channel. I think I had the duck race inside one of those videos. Let me just see something real quick. Pumping, yeah, Miku, and see. Okay, that's the AMA. Oh, alright, and then yeah, the last duck race popped up over there. So that was definitely really cool. So we're in this video, and I was talking to all crypto and all things crypto, so that way we can just rock out. Oh, in live? Oh, okay. What's your username? Let's say, what's your I'm gonna say, what's your TG username? Yeah, what's your TG username? And then I can unban you in the chat. So we got 3 over here watching right now. Yes, I see it. Okay, send a post right here. Yep. Yep. Oh yeah. That's what I was seeing. Like, okay, I was taking people to come into the chat right there. Let me just go ahead and pop that down, and then let me get I should have just clicked on that. But hold on, it'll come up. There it is. Huh. All right. We are bullish. Okay. Shout out right now. I'm live. Okay. Oh, R7 Raider. Oh, okay. I got you. We are 4 now. All right. Hold on. Let me get you so I can help you in the R7 Raider. Let me see. R7 Raider. Did you DM me? So I can do. Oh, Telegram frozen. Let me see. Okay. Hello, hello. Let's go. Oh, did you get back in? Miku contest or the Miku main chat? So you're in here watching. Oh, okay. You need to, yeah. Copy username. And then I do. Okay. I'm gonna say, okay, you're in. Me. Again, okay? I got you into the main again. Over here, yeah. So you're watching, yep, to the moon, okay. We are 3 now. Yeah, there's just a couple of us, we're just watching, coming in and out. So, you know, I was just gonna see, the more I do it, the more it'll catch on. And then people like stopping by, swinging through, you know. We are 4, yeah, I know. Hell yeah. Make a name for yourself. Grow in crypto. TWI. Twitter page and YouTube. And then cross post and hit me on TD DMs. I got a bunch of ways you can grow it. Alright. What's good, bro? Oh, I see you. In the Telegram chat, yep. You're watching a whole live. Yeah, man. So you see how people coming in and out, you know. A lot of people are tending to watch the videos afterwards because I didn't have a set time, so people tend to watch it afterwards. So that's why I have people come go. I'm gonna do like a schedule, so that way I can, you know, have it during scheduled times. I need to get a better schedule, and how we were talking, you know, I want to boost that page up, you know, make the banner and you know, do better thumbnails and stuff for our daily videos, man. And we will teach, we will grow, we will, you know what I'm saying? All that kind of stuff, because we're Miku Metaverse, and I'm all in. I'm rocking Miku 100%, man. I'm here to help. I'm here to be in the group. I'm here to, you know, any kind of question you want to rock out, join our other AMAs. We're just, you know, we're killing it. You know what I'm saying? So let me go ahead and take this over here for a second. And then okay. Midweek CPI data. There's 2 people watching there on a crew. And let's see. Boobity boot. Okay. Yeah, I was just trying to get everything up on there. And then I was seeing who's in here, huh? Yeah, yeah, I got you, big dog. Yeah, guys, no problem.
Hey, Jay.
Yes. Yes. What's good, bro?
Yo, how are you doing?
Hey, I'm doing good. Gabe. Okay, I see your name there. Nice to meet you, Gabe.
You can remember me?
I am trying to, but you would have to refresh my memory. Creative thinker. Let's see, Gabe. View profile.
Oh, yeah, I was in the chat with another account. I was the sailor. Maybe you can remember me now.
Oh, you were the one, the shilling and raiding and stuff, huh? Right?
Yeah. I was the one, asking questions, basically.
Okay. Yes, I remember now. Yeah, I just did a live crypto news, and we were talking about, like, Bitcoin, everything else, and then I started to do Miku chat, and I'm still actually live on YouTube because I'm monitoring some Bitcoin action here. There it is. It's 3:39 here for New York. I watched the 3 o'clock. It looks like we bounced off of this, man. I'm waiting to see if Bitcoin is gonna hit this day trade here. It's gonna hit the 50 EMA
Yeah, I think.
on the
How
5.
many people are watching your YouTube channel?
Right now it's not, people haven't been coming in live because of the times, so people come and go, man. I do other videos, and people tend to be watching them afterwards. I got to get a set schedule, so people know where to go. Yeah.
By the way, are you the marketing manager for Miku?
I'm the community manager, so anything that needs to be passed on or needs to be done, I have direct contact with our with the main dev, and our other. Did you see the whole team on the website?
So I know Nobu from another group, and I also know Balin, or how it's called, how it's pronounced.
Yeah.
But I'm actually searching for the marketing guy to talk to him. Do you know who he is?
Yeah, it's Crypto Solon. Let me see if I get his name on here. CRYP.
Can you send me his tag in the private chat?
Yeah, I'm getting the. Oh, here we go. Here is the name. Copy.
Oh, yeah.
I did you, bro.
Thanks, mate.
Yeah, man. Rock on, brother. We're here doing our thing. Don't forget to stop by the contest chat. Don't forget to listen into the AMAs. All right. We got some Miku bye-bye. Okay.
I will. No worries.
Yeah. Okay. Let's go back over here to the Miku. Okay. Look, market cap is 943. So that is. It's looking nice. It's holding in that zone. Let me go back here to Bitcoin and see. Oh, okay. So yeah, that's what it's gonna do there. It looks like it's gonna do a little bit of its little jiggle. All right. So that's what I want to see.
Check it.
Let's see. Oh man, let's see if it's gonna pull itself. Let's see. 2 minutes into that candlestick. Let me go back over to the 30 real quick and see what we have here. So it looks like on the 30 it retested and it's coming back up. But if that candle doesn't do its thing, let me go back to the 1 hour. Okay, so we are about 15 minutes left of this 1 hour. I want to see how that turns out, because are we going to come back to 23.430? All right, daily open is my 23,160, and that's for Bitcoin. XRP, okay, right here. Okay, so look at that. I'm waiting for that 50 to cross back over the 200, because right here on the 1 hour, let me go to the 30 minute. Okay, so that 30 tapped that little zone right there at 37.3, and then it came back above that psychological high. So that's, yeah, okay. Alright, chillin' and a chillin'. Alright, we got this guy, and pump it. Oh, okay, I see. Okay. Keep on pumping it. Keep on talking crypto. See how people are coming by and chilling. It's alright. It was the day of the crypto. I see that, bro, watching the live. Yeah. We got this going on. This is our contest going on till Friday. Meme show contest, and then if you go through it, you can see people have gotten bonuses and all kinds of other stuff. So that's definitely a bullish thing. And then what else we got? I want to see the chart for XRP right here. Bitcoin. There it is, Bitcoin on the 5. So 345. And then that's the next candle on the 5. Let's see. I want to see if we're slowly creeping or if that's gonna hit and reject. That's what I'm waiting on. That's what we're sitting waiting on. Waiting to see if it's gonna inch or if it's gonna come back to that. You see the white line, guys? Comes back to that 200 EMA and then down towards the daily open. If we break that, that's my opinion of where we're gonna go if we don't hit that right. Alright, let me see here. What are we? We're okay, so 1 minute in. Okay, and then this is the last 15-minute candle before the hour. And we take a look at the S&P. Take a look at the S&P. That's the last, where's S&P? 419. Oh, wow. It's pumping at the end of the day right here. That's definitely something going here. Wow, look at that. So that's gonna actually, that probably would carry over to Bitcoin. Yep, gold pulled down. The DXY, the dollar index. Alright, so pull back to the 50, and then let's go ahead and take a look. The Dow, okay, QQQ. Okay, P26, SPX, right? Bullish. Bullish, bullish. Look at that, bullish on the. We just went right up there. Let's see, where are we? Oh, Amazon. So Amazon had a nice little pump back up there. PayPal, looking nice. Our Googs. Google. You know, pre-market. Wow, okay. XRP, total market cap. So that definitely pumped it up. Let's go ahead and go to total overall cryptocurrency market cap. Alright, and let's go to the daily after that one. And let's pull back. Okay? And let's see what we have here. That's total overall cryptocurrency market cap. And you can see how it correlates to, wow, yeah, everything Bitcoin, and then it's coming back above that. Let me see something here. Yeah, look at that. It's starting to swoop. It's starting to swoop right there. We didn't want that to happen over there, so it started to swoop. And then now I want to go back to this Bitcoin. Alright, that's Bitcoin on the daily. So we want to keep on riding those Bitcoins up on the daily. And what we want to do, oh, I want to see that. Look at that. So that one, 45, 1 minute left, a little less than a minute left on that one, and see how it's going down. But the S&P is bullish though, so is this going to come back and touch something to retest, or what are we going to do? Let's see. Let's see. Okay. A few seconds left of that to close, and then the next one to open. Alright, let's see. Oh, okay. So now we're gonna, okay, so see how we're starting to come down to that area? That's what's happening. It came right back to that area. Bullish. Let's see. Let's see if we come back, touch our line. Okay. Alright, so now I just want to see, man. Let's see if we touch that line. But now it looks like we're going green a little bit on the 50. So there's 9 minutes left until 4 p.m. Left, 8 minutes left till 4 p.m. So I want to see how these react right at the end of the day. I did this because it was so much back. Okay, wow, it bounced itself. Let's see what it does. Are we gonna touch and go? I don't know. Let's see. Let's see. Oh shit. It's going for this one. It's going for the sky. It's going for the sky. I was waiting to see. Are we going to touch that? It looks like it's going to the moon. It's heading for the moon. That's what I was just saying. Funny, like, yeah, you know, everybody's like, "Oh my God, it's going to the moon," you know. We're like, "Oh my God, these are up," or whatever. There's so many different things. Alright. Let's see. Search on Bitcoin. Oh, it would be like... And then it's going to give us the top. So let's see what's happening. Kathy Wood, entry into Bitcoin could bring a 1 trillion increase in demand. 200 million donation to Bitcoin 12 years ago. Wow. Archive. Bitcoin. 61% of all US dollars in circulation were printed after Bitcoin was created. Wow. Bitcoin shorts get wrecked. And then, yeah, they've been showing those times. Yeah. Reclaimed its 450 billion market cap. Okay. Some say the F2 model. Yeah. Alright. Bottom is in, you think? Let's see. Crypto Rover. Bottom is closer than you think. Crypto Rover, he's always out there rocking, huh? Where's all my peoples at? Where are my people at? Where my who's at? Join the VC now. And live stream. Okay guys, we are live here in Telegram VC. We are live on YouTube talking the same thing. We talk crypto news and then we talk Miku. You can hop in the chat and go ahead and hit them hashtags and rock out with us. Anything you want to say, you can hop in the Telegram chat with your voice because we are live and we are rocking. We are watching the marketing conditions and we love the Miku. We watch the Miku chart and we have our tweets out. Our Miku chart tweet hit some really good numbers today. We love seeing all those retweets. Mad love to all you guys. To the moon! Alright, so let's go ahead and see. Okay, so 315. That's good. 315 retweets. We just wanted to, you know, I put it out there. Time for next all-time high. You know, we're riding that support. Bullish. And new AMA is out. You guys can see that. And then the billboards. And then get ready for Miku Metaverse. So you can definitely see that. Okay. And then, yep, you can see, look at this. Trust Wallet. Okay. All the press releases, BSC Daily, Sphinx Lab, okay, and that's the AMA, and it's recorded, alright, Bubble Maps, awesome, Miku, and we are listed, CMC, CG, make sure to stop by there, you know, do your thing. Miku coin is a community token. Metaverse, Miku Metaverse. There's so much in store and ready for Miku. The web page is being revamped right now. All kinds of stuff happening. NFTs, the locker. You change your, you know, the way you look at it. You know what I mean? And you could just rock out. You can go down and just you know, take a look at all the information now. Hop into the chats and get some information. And there's going to be some more bullish stuff dropping in the chat, so stop by and see the pins. Okay, right now we're working behind the scenes. We do have a nice admin chat where everybody has their roles and everybody's doing their thing, so we have a team working out there. You know, it's just not a single crew. We each have it and we're building it, and I love it. And we're gonna make our socials great. Okay, we're gonna do a lot of different fun things. We'll play games. We'll talk Miku, okay? And also, if anybody wants to learn crypto, this is Miku Metaverse. We could teach you how to get into crypto, how to get into Binance, and then that way you can invest with us. There's so many different things happening and coming out, you know. So all I gotta say, follow me on Twitter, follow the videos, and take it to the moon. You know what I'm saying? I want to see this done properly, step by step, you know. And just like we had our listings, right? CMC and CG, you know. We knew they were coming, but people usually ask, oh, right away, the first day. But what happens then? You know, you get a pump, and then you get a dump, and then your chart doesn't look good, you know. And then there's always ups and downs in project, you know. So we actually, you see our chart when we hit an all-time high, and then we had a dip, and then we went right back to an all-time high because we revamped Miku. You know, Miku has an awesome roadmap now, all the way up to building a straight Miku metaverse, which is awesome. So I have a lot of ideas too. If anybody else has ideas and they want to be involved, you know, go ahead, shoot them. You never know. You never know. There could be Miku metaverse one day with Miku property. You know what I'm saying? And there could be all kinds of different things happening. So I love it. We're gonna have our first, you know, utility with Sphinx Labs. That's coming. Their devs are working on it for our staking pool, and also the NFTs being worked on. And then that's gonna pop for you guys, which is awesome. Okay, and all new information drop on the website. And then I'm also gonna do a video when the staking and all that goes live, and then NFTs go live. So I will be doing that for you guys. So, and then every week we'll have AMAs, okay, rocking any new information coming out, and then also promos on Twitter, growing our Twitter page, doing videos, doing shout outs, and doing live pop-ups, and you know, even giving out bonuses to active members that I see. You know, a bunch of people know that, you know, I try my best, and I want to, you know, give people, you know, back to the community. So there's been some really good, you know, people really active, and you know, I could just say, you know, stay active, keep on learning, and if you have any questions, you know, I can help you along it. And if it's something that I don't know, hey, it's all about research, baby. You know what I'm saying? And it's all about strategy, just like all the strategies I was talking to you guys about, the whole market and how marketing works, and how we are on the market. Look at today, Wednesday, okay? I was telling you, Wednesday is a big news day, and that's when we get volatility. So since we had the news come out with the CPI data is lower than the last one, that's why we had a bullish pump. So as soon as we saw that bullish pump, I was like, okay, let me go over here. They released the data. We had the bullish pump in the SPY, okay? So you could see the S&P, okay? When it opened, it pumped, it retested its 50, and now it's taken off to the market close at 4 p.m. You see that? So it closed on a high. So, okay, yep, almost 420 it closed. Now, let's go over to here. Let's go to Bitcoin. Now that New York is closed, we're at the 5-minute. New York is closed, people are coming over to Bitcoin. Okay, if we hit this 50 EMA on the 5 and we go above it, then I'm going to come over here to the 1 hour. Okay, and I'm going to take a look, and I'm going to see what's happening here on the 1 hour, because I was looking at this and I'm like, all right, it wants to come back and touch this 50 EMA at some point, you know. And I was just looking for, you know, scalp trades and, you know, just little things during the day just to give some targets. But we did talk about the targets the other day when we were below this 50 EMA, you know, on the 1 hour. So when we ended up coming down and we pulled down here, and we were in the box yesterday at the 22.9, I was like, all right, you know, let's see what happens. New York closed, Sydney opened, pulled it right back down, right above the M1 zone. I was like, damn, we could really hit 22.5, but we stopped at the 22.6, and we ended up slowly picking ourselves up. And then once we hit this time right here, right before the market opened, they lifted it up, man. Lifted it up, okay? New York Brink started. New York sessions came on, and they slowly recovered that vector candle about halfway, and then they started to come back up. So I'm worried about the rest of the halfway of that vector candle, because it comes by the daily open. The bottom of that candle is 23,130. Daily open is at 23,160. Yeah, so that was the target that I put just in case, with a tight stop loss. So when I saw us come towards the bottom here of the box, all right, I put the when I see us coming to the bottom of the box, I'm like, okay, we're probably gonna go ahead and pull back some because we were extended so far, and then I put my target at the 23,160. So where are we? Hold on. No, not 23,160. I'm like, what am I telling you guys? 23. Where is it? Oh, okay. Yeah. And then that was the PP, and then 23, and then that was 23,280, 20, and then 23,400. Yeah, so I think it was like, okay, yeah, 23,460. Yeah, okay, that's what I thought. I was like, wait a minute, yeah. So 23,460, we didn't hit it, okay? And it looks like we almost hit that, and I was like, okay, we probably will, but we bounced from it, but there's still a chance that it could come back down, all right? So that's what I'm looking at here. There is that big vector candle. We did go from 23, we'll just say 23,100 all the way up to 24,100. So that's a $1,000 move, and now it's halfway back through the page, So that's what we're seeing there. Let me go ahead actually and pop this open. Let me see some. Oh, okay, I'm in the chat here. Oh, that was just because I was in that chat. I stopped by here. Okay, and then we hit it. What's good? What's good? All right. So I'm just still talking to everybody, and then this video will probably get blown up with views. So you guys hit the bell for my name, and then you'll know when I'm live, so you can be able to talk to me live if you want to, learn some information and all that kind of stuff. And then also I'm gonna start doing more scheduled streams where it's scheduled so people know when and where. And then I'm gonna need some help out in the chat, so smacking out in the chat instead of just doing these videos. So we're just gonna grow this channel, and it's gonna be a teaching video, and I'm all in with the Miku. Mad love to it. Instead of spreading out and being an advisor for a bunch of different projects, I'm like, you know what, let me go all in and do community manager. And then also we hold open the Telegram chat, live YouTube raids, contests continuously going on. Okay, we had the meme contest, we had the raid and shill contest, I've had duck races, I've given bonuses to people, and you can see all of that in the chat. You could just go into the chat yourself and ask, have you ever been in a chat and they just say randomly, oh, I want to give out bonuses, and you get DMs? You know what I'm saying? Like, not really. Not too many. There's a bunch that do like games and stuff like that, but hey man, I love when I see the active people, and it's just mad love to the people that are active and they're actually shilling their bags, because it definitely helps that when you invest in something, you want to be positive about it and shill your bags. And if you have any questions, you can ask. And if you don't want to ask in a VC, you can type to me. I always check my DMs every day. I deal with a lot of DMs, and you can also hop over to Twitter and you can leave a comment on the page. Wait, let's see. Today, okay, I see. That was today's. And yeah, man. Oh, I hit this for Crypto Rover. See new tweets. Okay, so I did hit that for Crypto Rover, and you guys can actually, oh yeah, go ahead and smack that tweet over here too for Apin, because when I'm looking for other projects and stuff like that, and I see people dropping them in there. All right. There's a lot of different stuff that I've seen over the times. Yeah, see like oceans, and let's see what this is. Okay, I'll check some of this. I'll check it out. And when I go in there and I check out the projects, you never know, man. You never know if you're gonna get some of Jay's hype. So you see, we got a lot of projects that people are hyped up. I like to check them out, and if they're all gravy, baby, I give them an okay and talk to them and chill and raid. Definitely definitely cool beans on that one. Hold on, let me see. I'm actually got to do our own tweet, but you can see Miku. Oh wow, look at that. Miku having 1,400 tweets. Let's go ahead and see analytics. Alright, so that's the analytics for... Alright, let me just go ahead and... I need to go back to that for a second. Let me see. Let me get out of that. Okay. Let me go back to here, BTC. Okay. There it goes. It's going 23.6. So 23.7 even is gonna be where I'm going to stop out. Let's see. Let's see what we can do. Let's see what we can do. Alright, alright. Alright, alright, alright. Okay. Okay, let me Boobette. Okay, I want to go back to this section real quick. Let me go over here, and then I just wanted to make this alright. I need to drop that in the group. Let me drop that in the group. Let's see. Tweets are on fire. Wow. Alright. Yeah, because it shows engagements, impressions, engagements, retweets. Okay. I got that. That's what I was looking at. I was like, let me see. And then let me see the interaction with this one right now today. Oh, okay. Impressions and yeah. Not bad. Not bad. Likes. Media. Oh, this is yeah, this is for all the media, tweets and replies. And then we hit our tweets. Alright. Bitcoin. So let's see, Bitcoin's sitting right there. Let's go to the 5-minute chat. Let me go to the 5-minute again and see what the heck is going on here with it. Alright, so it's still underneath that 50. I want to see if we come up to it and get rejected at all. You know what I'm saying? Okay, coin market cap. Let me go. Community feeds, products, and hold on. Exchanges, DEX. I just want to check out that DEX. Look, Tornado Cash is trending. That's interesting. All right, so let's see. Pancake Swap DEX Sun.io launched. Interesting how that had such a big, volume in there. Let's see, Apollo, Uni, Sushi Swap, Babyswap. Okay, that definitely pumped. What else we got? We got Thorchain. We got Spooky Swap. Wow. And let's see what else. Balancer down here. Finance. Interesting. Open. Shiba Swap. Nami Swap. MDEX BSC. Wow, so there's actually some people doing... Okay, Tomb Swap. Ape Swap. Volume. Alright, I want to go back to the top real quick. And that's got $1 billion in volume. Oh, it's type order book. Yep. Volume data is untracked. And then DYDX exchange. Okay. And then you can go mainnet. Let's see here. All right. Yeah, I'm about to do. All right, so that's Trader Swap. Okay, let me just take a look at this real quick. That is actually okay. So Trader Swap. Let me get out of that real quick. DXY. Go back to Bitcoin, bro. What is it? 414. One more minute on this Bitcoin. Let me see what the next candle starts as. Alright, so I was looking at the DEXs because I'm looking for more staking opportunities. So that's why I was looking at that right now. So I was looking at the top crypto and then the DEXs. So they have Pancake Swap, they have this protocol. Let's go ahead and pop into here. And let's go ahead and take a look. I'm looking for more passive income streams so that way I can have my money work for me. And I can teach you guys, how to earn, in the chat, just to get some place you can go in and have a sense of community and yepers. Oh yeah, the heart shows. Hey guys, here at Miku Coin, not only are we a community, but we're a place where you can come if you have any kind of questions in the crypto sector, because we have the spread of the wings of Miku. She is holding us in our positive universe. We wake up every day and take the next steps in order to go further in life. We want to make this the latest and greatest metaverse, growing step by step with our community, with suggestions, and much, much more. You could come here and ask any question. You won't be bumped. You'll be met with constructive criticism. I want to hear your suggestions and I want to hear your opinions because we want to go to the moon. Alright. So I'm in that chat right there. It's pretty cool how I can be live in the VC. The voice chat. So, alright. Let me see something. Let's go. Okay. Alright, alright. Okay, let me see. Done. Thanks. TikTok is banned in India. Okay. Let me just see something here. Alright. Okay. Alright, let me go. Miku price to the moon. Oh wait, let me Miku to the moon. Okay. Miku to the moon. I'm gonna. Alright. Oh. What is this? Oh, okay, we're just gonna. You know. I just go through BSC scan. I'm going just, you know, a couple different things I'm just looking at right quick. You know, seeing how you're rocking. I just want to look. There's a couple nice projects out there that are definitely, you know, something to hop aboard. You can see, you know. Okay. Alright. Let me take a look. Okay. Alright, rocking out, man. Rocking out. And then okay. What is this, oh, okay, oh, I see, transfer, 2 days, okay, stable coins are good, let me see, oh, look at, from B3, Okay. And you just, I'm just rocking out. You always do your own research on, whatever you're looking at, and just, rock out. And definitely, just chilling. Looking for good, tokens that are on the actual, I can actually, you could look throughout BSC swap. Alright, let's go Miku. Let's go here. There was some knockoffs too. What was this? Miku Classic. What was this one? Oh my gosh. It started and then it dumped. Oh my gosh. I don't even know what that is. Miku Classic. Okay, let me go here. Oh, Peel. That was on Pancake Swap. Let me take a look at it. Okay. Peel BUSD. So that was Pancake Swap. Peel Cake, and then it looks like it's stabilized right there. Okay, let's see how Raptor's doing real quick. Okay, it's still alive. Okay. Let's see Piggy Inu. You know that 1.2 mil for Piggy. Oh, okay. So Piggy had a dip that was ate up real quick. Okay. Let me go like this. 5 minutes. Alright. And then obviously, wow. So there must have been some pretty big transactions. So then let's go ahead and take a look. Okay. So let me see here. What is, okay, I have to see, like, depending on, how many tokens. So you look and then you see how many tokens. Pancake Swap 28 minutes ago. How much is that worth? Okay, so that's only like $100. Okay, so the big ones are let's see here. Swap. Pancake Swap, Pancake Swap. Pancake Swap. 32 million, 50 million. 2 billion. So 1, 2, 35, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 67, okay. 1, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, okay. Oh, there's one. What is this one right here? Swap for exact. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, it's only $788. That wasn't too bad of a hit to that one. Alright, let me take a look again. Let's see. That one, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. No. And then what do we got? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, no. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, there's no I don't see where a huge sell-off would be. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so was that a buy? Okay, let me look at this. 7 minutes ago. Alright. Let's look at the contract for a minute here. Let's look at the contract. Let's see something here. Piggy Inu. and then people send that. Approve. Alright, internal transaction. Pancake router. Comments. One discussion.
Yo, what's up, Blake? What's up?
Hey, what's up, Henry? I'm just chilling, man. I've been running a stream live here, and I'm also on YouTube still. Just rocking out, man. Talking all kinds of stuff. What's up?
I missed that shit. I was coding, man. It's been terrible, you know.
You were coding?
Yeah, I was coding.
That's good. You learned a lot.
I'm learning, you know, improving my skills, you know.
Oh, that's good. So do you know how to Solidity? Do you know how to build a token on ETH and BSC?
No, I'm actually trying to buy a course regarding that, you know. Right now, I'm just focusing on building websites, you know. But I have plans to build tokens, the apps, and other stuff, you know. That's my plan.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, that sounds pretty cool. All right, transfer, Piggy, pancake swap to the router, and then to liquidity, and then somebody's wallet here. What is this? Binance Pay, Rat Binance, and then Piggy. Let me see something here. Yep, I'm just looking around on BSC Scan. You know, seeing what's good. Alright. Binance. That's pretty crazy how they manage their wallets, but that's okay.
Well, what do you think about Bitcoin, man? I don't understand the shit Bitcoin be doing, man.
Yeah, Bitcoin right now. I've been watching the 5-minute. We hit the 200 EMA, and we are slowly going back to the 50 right now on the 5-minute. I'm looking at it on YouTube Live. Oh shit, we're at it. Oh, the next candle for 430. Let's see if we touch it and go above. Then we're gonna go up to 24,065. If we get rejected, we're coming back to 23,215.
Wow. Okay, let's see. So, do you expect more dump? I mean, due to the CPI inflation rate.
Yeah, so the inflation rate was at 9 and now it came down, so that's what gave us the bullish day today.
Yeah.
Okay, so Bitcoin on the 5 is touching the 50 EMA. So now let me go over to the 1 hour real quick and take a look. Okay, so we're going to the 13. Oh boy, let's see. Because if we go back up there, we're going to be at that 24K. If that candle keeps on going, let's see. Let's see what's going to happen, baby. 5-minute candle. We're 1 minute into this 5-minute candle, and we are right below the 50 EMA on the 5-minute. So we need a break above that with a 5, and then... Okay, now let me go look at the 30. Okay. Alright, the 30. The 30 is... The 5 is crossing over the 13 again. Interesting. Last week high, which is 23.6. So yeah, we just hit the 23.7. All right. Order triggered.
I think you're gonna pull back.
You think it's gonna pull back again after it pulled back to 23.5?
Yeah, I think so.
So
I think it's gonna retest the position and then pump again.
Okay, so you think it's gonna retest the 50 EMA again?
Yeah, my opinion, I'm not sure. Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I thought. I was like, oh my god, it barely touched it, and now it's coming up. Um, yeah, and then on the 1 hour, the 50 never crossed below the 200, which is good. Let me go to the 4 hour real quick and just look at a longer span. Oh shit, no, that's bullish on the 4 hour. Oh wow.
Damn, it's shit. Before it's fucking bullish. I think. Do you think it's what open that trade or something?
Yeah, I'm like, oh shoot, yeah, it looks bullish. So where am I on the 4 hour? Okay, so that 4 hour though, but it does look like it could be an M formation happening. But you know what? That's a pretty big vector candle, and the daily open is at 23.1. So we're gonna have to see what that's all about.
Yeah, you know what? Worries may try to shit on everybody's things, because whenever there's good news, and everybody's been bullish, you know what? They fuck everybody up, you know what I'm saying?
I
So
hear
when
you.
there's bad news, everybody expects a dump, then they pump. You know that shit?
Exactly. That's how people are, man. That's how people are. Yeah, I was also looking around for more places to stake on Binance Chain. So I was, just looking around. Curve Finance, let's see. Okay.
Did you find
Curve.
one?
I don't know. Let's see. Volume. They have a stable coin, and then they have a bunch of other ones. I don't know if I'm gonna use Curve.
Um, I think I'll do more research this night regarding that.
Yeah, I gotta find another spot for staking. So I'm gonna look through some of the platforms.
Okay. So you're actually telling me about making your website. What's up about that?
Yeah, that's something that I was thinking about, and I've been thinking about it for a while. So that's something we'll talk in private.
Okay, okay, cool.
All right. So, have you played War of Tribes at all lately?
No, man, because it's kind of hanging in my laptop, so it's kind of frustrating. So I just have to kill it off.
Ah, yeah, I hear you, man.
Yeah, but I I think I can use my Switch laptop to play maybe 20 on one day. It's fun. It's a great game. It's just that um, some things are not put right.
Yeah. All right, let me go back to here. I'm like, oh, Miku, hold and go. All right, let's go back to Miku, see how it's doing. Let's see, Miku is at 912K market cap.
Wow.
On the 5 minute, it pumped pretty good. I like that 5 minute chart, looked nice. The 1 hour chart, the 30 minute chart for Miku. Okay. So we had a spike with a buy up. Okay, let's see. 1 hour. Interesting. Interesting. Let me go here. And then let me see something. Let me see something here. What's this? Okay, 138. Okay. Swap token, swap token. A swap at the token. Alright, I gotta look at these numbers. Let's see. Was it this one? No, that can't be that. 1, 2, and then 3. 1, 2, then 3. 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Interesting. 1, 2, 3. Swap exact. Yeah, that's not. Yeah, there's no really big sales. I didn't see any. I didn't see any really big sales. Yeah, I don't see. Huh. Okay. Zap out. Zap out token. What are they using to zap out? Pancake swap, liquidity. Oh, okay. So they're that was a liquidity pool token. That was an LP. Okay, that was a liquidity pool token. Where the fuck is my upstairs? Yeah. Okay. Sip of my juice. And then let me go take a look. Bitcoin on the 5. Still right there. Oh, 23.7. So we did touch the... Oh, shit. Yeah, we're battling on the 5-minute chart. We went above the 50 a little bit. Now the next 5-minute chart is coming into play here. Let's see what happens. Are we gonna pop?
Yo, let's see.
Let's see. Oh, nope. It's getting rejected. Oh, no. Let's see. Are we gonna pop?
Yo, it's fighting. Let's see today.
Yeah, let's see. That it's sitting right below that 50 EMA right there. Let's see. It's sitting right below it. It needs to break above. Come on, Bitcoin, baby. Come on, candle. Come on, candle. Come on, candle. Break it, baby, break it. That's what I was just waiting. I wanted to see, is the 5-minute, gonna break above the 50? Because if it does, then we're gonna be bullish. But if it doesn't...
I pray so, man. We need some profit.
You need some profit, yeah, hell yeah.
Oh my god. I think, did you do the Docker shit today?
No.
Alright.
As soon as I'm done with this video, I'm gonna do a duck race video. I want to see if there's gonna be. I'm gonna see. Let me see who's live in the chat first. Who is live in chat now? I wanna see if there are 10 live names. P.O. Possible duck race and live on YouTube. Okay, so if I can get some people, I'm gonna put join VC in main group. All right, join VC now, so we can have a count for a duck race. I know you're here, Henry.
Yeah, I'm here.
Yo, you're doing an awesome job with the shilling, bro. I just wanted to let you know. You're posting, you're shilling the memes. You always been by my side, brother. So you already know.
Yeah, man. I already got you.
Yep. Because what, 0.3 BNB is like $100, right? Yeah. So it's $100 to 3 people. I should have done, you know,
man.
I should have done it, you know, like 1, 2, 3. You know what I'm saying? Like first place gets this, and you know. But hey, sometimes people got mad at me last time. They were like, "Why are you using that to pick a winner? Why are you using that?" You know, like people were.
I get you, bro. You know.
Okay.
You know, everybody has their own opinion. You know?
So, all right. So.
Man.
So if
I'm trying to.
We don't do pop up duck race SCAE schedule 1 in contest chat. Alright, so it looks like I'm gonna go in the contest chat and I'm gonna schedule. Oh wait, cancel, hold on. Oh yeah, that's because I'm live in here. I can't schedule it yet, but okay. What's tomorrow? Tomorrow is Thursday. Alright, so then I'm going to say tomorrow, duck races. Do we have anything to do tomorrow morning, honey? Nope, it's the 11th. We don't have to do anything. Alright, so I'm going to say... Alright, let me get back on here. Okay. Attention, Miku. Tomorrow at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, there will be a live duck race for Miku. You must be active in our chats. You must raid with the crew. Every day retweet our chart tweet and all pin tweets from Miku page. Alright, so he's okay, so 9:30 for Miku page. So it'll be 10 ducks per race. Okay, so $10 per race. If we get more people in, then we will expand. Okay. Prize are either 20, 10, and 5.
Then,
Okay. Prizes are either 20, 10. Good luck, racers. Okay.
let's chop that. Yo, Henry, namaste.
Namaste.
Oh, gee, namaste, namaste.
Namaste. Yes, I know. Namaste, man. Do you believe in? Are you Buddhist?
Yeah, I am Polish, but not in bear market.
Okay. Oh, very nice, man. You live in India, right?
Yes, bro, I live in India,
Oh.
in Maharashtra, Mumbai.
Oh, that's awesome, man. I dealt with a guy 2 years ago. He lived in India, and he had camel races. He was a camel racer.
Okay, camel picture. And where are you from, bro? US or UK?
Oh, I'm from United States, New York.
Okay, New York. That's great, bro. Yeah.
Yep. From New York.
Oh,
Okay.
bro.
What was I
how
talking
did you
about?
come in crypto?
Live.
Or you already read?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. So I dropped that. So we're gonna have a tomorrow. Oh wait, duh. I have to edit that. Where am I? Okay. So 9:30, 10:30, 11:30, 12:30, 1:30. So what is that? 2:30 East UTC time, right? Yeah. I'll put that. Yep. 2:30 ETC. All right. Edit.
Just feel live the page for you must be active in our chat. Which chat? This Miku content or Miku
So
main chat?
what is that? 2:30. Okay, so 13, 14, 14:30 UTC time. There we go, 14:30 UTC time. So that's better. Everybody can do it by UTC because that's all right. So 9:30 for me would be. All right, let me go over here actually to my page where the contest is posted, and let me see the official.
Okay. 8 p.m. in India. Let's
I
go.
see it.
Right.
Here's the official tweet, right? Okay. So, mad people retweet it. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Keep showing them. There we go. Okay. Drop, drop, drop. Alright. And then we blew up our tweet the other day. We had oh wow, yeah, 1,400 retweets on that one. Wow. That's amazing. Hold on, let me do this real quick. I want to just full screen snip. Let me just do this real quick. And then bust it. Let me do this. Wow. Let's say we add. Yeah, Miku. So. Oh wait, let me drop it in the main group. Let me do. That's much better. Yes. It's gonna be. Oh yeah, I was talking about the duck races. That's why I went into the contest chat and I posted it a time for the duck race. You know. So that way, people could see that.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah, gotcha.
Yeah, that would have been, that's better. So that way people know. You know that's what
Yeah,
time
hey.
the duck.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yes.
Exactly. Exactly. So guys, what since we're on YouTube and we're talking about bullish projects and you know everything, what is the best performing stuff in your portfolio right now?
I'm holding and sneaker. That's step and one. GST. Do you know about that move to one project, bro?
Okay, I'll check it out. Yeah, shoot me a DM with the info. I'll check it out.
Good step in.
Change the beach, bro. It's pumping, bro. Check it out.
Oh,
Oh, yep, BTC,
Okay.
yep. On the 5 minute, we went above the 50. Okay, there it goes. Okay, hold on. Let me go to the 30. And, okay. So let's see. 23.9. Alright, and then we're heading for 2460. 24,060. Okay, how about XRP? BNB. Let's see what BNB is going to do.
good.
Let's see what BNB is going to do. I'm on the 1 hour right now. And BNB is sitting at 326. It didn't get back to the 50 EMA at 323. But since Bitcoin just caught a little pumpy, let's go to Ethereum real quick. Ethereum on the 1 hour is it's insane. That vector candle, man, they're just asking for it to, you know, to come back and retake some of that vector candle. I want to see what happens, or unless it keeps pulling up the moving averages. That's insane. That's a big pump. That's a big move for Ethereum. Yeah, you haven't.
Oh.
There hasn't.
Okay.
Yeah, Ethereum went from 17, from 1,700 even, all the way up to 1,850. So it. Wow, and that's all in one move.
Yeah.
Damn.
800. I was
Look at that
scared.
candle, bro.
And after it jumped to 18,000, I was crying right now. I buy. It was totally 1x.
Yeah, exactly.
What did you say?
I said that when market was totally dumb, so I feared to buy. And the market pumped. So then I think now I take the entry like FOMO every time.
Oh, okay, I got you. Well, sometimes FOMO does more harm than good, you know. Well,
Yeah,
it depends, you know, the situations.
Oh yeah,
always bring this.
good good time to okay, yeah, so once that staking goes live for Miku, man, that's gonna be, let's see. Oh, buy bots.
Like, what's the Mickey utility? Means utility.
Let's see. This is Sphinx,
Oh, yeah.
and then we go. All right. Link. Oh, I didn't even ask her. So, oh, Peachy. And then I'm gonna say, "What's up, guys?"
Hello.
Okay. Let me. All right. Let me go down here. What is this? Oh. What's up, guys? Alright, I went to Sphinx where we had our AMA the other day because they're the ones that are going to be making our staking pool live. So, update on fees. Let's see what this says. Net update will soon go live. And then the Miku one day. Date for staking, farm, and pool, or hey, chillin', dude. Live YouTube now. Shout out to you guys. Yep, shout out to them. I'm giving them a shout out. I was just talking crypto news and rocking out, and then I gave, and then I did a shout out. Mad love. All right.
Man, I wish I had one BNB, man. I could have made, sell high, you buy low.
Okay. And then for the staking pool, I'm gonna, oh, are we doing farm and pool? I'm gonna talk to this guy. Okay, let me just go over here. Alright. The dev is delay. Till tomorrow, okay. Okay, yeah. Miku, BNB. pool is stake Miku earn Miku. So that's some PRE cell pressure. Okay. He said, what do you say? Oh, it's dev delay. Oh, pressure. Okay, thanks. Alright, I was just checking with all of them and see, like, yep, I spoke with him, and then Andre is okay. So, hold on, view profile, crypto dude. Okay, I see. Okay, I see. Alright, crypto dude, okay. We gotta get our chat more active on Miku. Alright, let's see. Oh wow, yeah, it's pumping. Look at that, 23.8 Bitcoin. Look at that. 23.8 Bitcoin. Huh?
Yeah, it's pumping.
What, you want me to put something in there for you? Oh. Here you go. Oh, which one do you want? Let's see. You want this one or this one? That one? Okay. Yeah. Alrighty. Let me just go ahead, and I'm still watching the bitty coin. The bitty coin. The itty bitty Bitcoin. I'm still watching that. Okay. Bitcoin, baby, Bitcoin. What, you need that one? Okay. Bitcoin. Okay. Let's see what she wants to do here. And I'm on the 1 hour chart for her. Oh, 23.8. So let's go here to the 5 minutes, see what they're doing. Okay, so yeah, it did spike above, and now it's going to retest the 5. Let's see if it's going to continue to the upside. So Bitcoin spiked up above the 50. Now it's coming back to test the 50 on the 5. 23.7. So that 23.8 zone is the zone for... Oh, there it is again. 23.8. 23.808.
3.5.
Oh shit.
Oh my god.
There it goes.
It's going. Well, actually, the Asian market is oversold. So I think we have dump on the daily.
Do you think we're gonna have a dump coming for the Bitcoin because of the Asian market?
Yeah, yeah, they're oversold on the daily. So I don't know.
Yeah. I see. Hold on. Let me turn on my RSI. Let's go to the daily. And let's see where we're at. Oh, wow. So we have been coming up slowly. Bullish a little bit for Bitcoin. Okay.
Yeah, I was talking about the Asian stocks though.
Oh, okay. Oh, the Asian stocks. Oh, the next that's opening is Sydney. Sydney, Australia is opening next, right? Yep.
Yeah.
Yep. Sydney, Australia. is coming for us. So I want to see Sydney open.
I don't think it will do much though, but let's see.
You don't think Sydney is gonna move it much?
No, I don't think so.
No. All right. I don't have an opinion right now.
Yeah.
I
Me neither.
I saw it go bullish like that, but then.
It's true.
Okay. Let me get the volume out of there. And then let me just look at this. Shut that off for a second. Let me get the EMA ribbon on the daily. Let me go to EMA ribbon on the 1 hour. Alright, we pulled above it and we flipped a ribbon a little bit. Wow. On the 1 hour. Yeah, we flipped the ribbon a little bit. Okay. That's actually good. Because we came below it on the 1 hour. We tested it. We pulled up. Now Bitcoin's going to come back and test again 23.6. Alright. So it's 23.8. I think it's going to go up to 24.2. It's going to go up and then it's going to come back down. So I'm going to set my order for a short at 24.180. And my take profit's going to be 23.550.
Okay. So, what's the leverage level?
Alright, and then on BNB, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to go short on BNB. I'm going to set it for 336, and to trigger a short, and the take profit's going to be at 326. A $10 move with 5x leverage.
So what's the leverage level? 5x?
Yeah, I'm doing 5x leverage on BNB. I'm using $50. I'm going short. Okay. I'm doing a conditional order. So
okay.
Trigger price is going to be 336. Oh. So 336 is my trigger price. And then I'm gonna, okay. And last price, and then set buy stop, take profit sell. Okay, take profit. Oh wait, it says 319. So no, that's not about right. I would say at 321. Okay, so no, let's see, at 321. If I put, oh yeah, just make a couple bucks here and there. I'm showing them how to take $5 and grow it. So we grew the $5 into 36 now, and now we're gonna put the 36 down, 5x leverage, and if we get it, we're gonna get an extra $10. If we lose, we're only gonna lose $1.87. All right. Okay, what's next? Select market. Let's go to Bitcoin. Alright. Let's go to market order and see something here. Okay, so 23.46. Trigger 24.200. So conditional. Trigger price 24.180. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna do 10x leverage. And I'm gonna put okay, so that, yep, 10x leverage. Okay, okay, 24.180. And then take profit. Let me look at this again. Alright, so go to Bitcoin. Let me go to Bitcoin. Yep, 24.180 trigger, and then a pullback. So 24.180, and then 23.487. So huh, interesting. Okay, that's what I was looking at. I'm like, huh, let me see here. Trigger. Assets, okay. Market. Set buy stop. Market limit. Alright, let's see what's going on there. With the up, down. Okay. Alright.
Bitcoin, go, come on.
Okay, let me see what we got over here. Huh? Oh, just people walking by, like, sound like young kids or something. Okay. So we're still watching this. We've been rocking on YouTube for like 2 hours, rocking out with that. Let's go ahead and see what these guys got going on in here. Buy bots. Alright. These guys were, I don't know what they were doing. Okay. What do we got? Bitcoin? What you got for me, Bitcoin? Alright.
Do you think it's safe to open a long now?
To open a long right now? Oh no, I wouldn't open a long right now.
It's risky, right?
Yeah, because we're at 23.8, and if you open a long right now, yeah, why would you do that?
It's like it's a quick scalp, you know.
Yeah, I don't, me personally, I don't open up longs when we're above the 50 EMA on the 1 hour, because it's most of the time it pulls back to it. When we're on the 1 hour, when we're below the 50 EMA, that's the best times I like to open up longs. So what I would do is I probably would open up a short if we got up to 20 above 24K. That's what I was waiting for, to do a quick scalp short. You know what I mean?
Oh,
Yeah,
I got you, yeah.
yeah, that's what I was working on, doing that. But alright guys, we've been streaming for mad long. I just want to say mad love and respect to all of you guys. Stop by the next